Hey guys, Seth here with ALE Truck Beds, where we turn trucks into tools. Today we're going to go over two different beds here and why these beds are special. These beds here are really popular models for us here, with the Gooseneck Service Body being this black one here and the Martin SBV being this other one here. Why are they so cool? So if you're pulling a fifth wheel camper or a big horse trailer or something, these are going to be what you want right here. I call these personally the camper special beds, whether it is with this SBV here with these chamfered corners, or the Gooseneck Service Body here with the lower front boxes. I'll tell you the difference in both of them and why they are what they are. So let's start with the SBV. So if you have a standard square box right here, some of your big campers that you're pulling, your fifth wheel could hit those. So by going with the chamfer corners here, it gives you that clearance that you need. Plus, I like the look of it because it gives it that custom look like a cookie cutter bed. Kind of flows better with the trucks nowadays. Now if you're looking at this and you're saying, well, this bed isn't set up to pull gooseneck or the fifth wheel, you are correct, but we can cut in the gooseneck opening for this, so that's not a problem. We do that in-house here. Takes an hour to cut that in there depending on where we're putting it at and what application it's for. So that's a really cool option on this one here, being the SBV. Most of our SBVs, if they're a pickup delete nowadays, we are ordering them with a third brake light cut out, just because most of the trucks anymore have a third brake light camera that's shooting down and also a sliding rear window, so that we do still have access to pass through there. That's cool on this one here. Pretty much everything else on this bed is standard. Really sharp looking bed, really popular for us. So if you're calling in and you're pulling a fifth wheel camper, this is what we're going to ask you about. If you just say camper special, we're going to know what you're talking about. So that's on the SBV. On this Gooseneck Service Body here, what is different on this one? This one normally has 40-inch tall cabinets, so you're going to have your cabinet's going to be roughly what, up to here. So here we went with a 34-inch tall cabinet, so it drops the height of them. You get a little bit smaller box, but then you have plenty of clearance up there. Now there is also an option to chamfer the corners on the Gooseneck Body as well to match how they are on the SBV. But this is a nice option. You're still going to get standard 2 shelves in there, but you're getting a lot lower clearance there. That way, if you are going to be pulling a camper in the future, or a big horse trailer, or just a toy hauler of some sort with a really big deep nose, these are the options that you're going to want to look at. Even with the SBV, you are still going to get 2 shelves in there, and those are adjustable. Keep in mind with the SBV, the shelves do not come with dividers, but we can add dividers to that. The Gooseneck Service Bodies, those do come with dividers. Both of them on a gas shock, the whale tail quarter turn latches. Now on the service bodies, we can upgrade these to a stainless steel latch, and I'll post a picture of that so you can see what that is. But that's what's cool on these two bodies here. This one here as well is powder coated black. This is what we call the accent powder coat black. So when we do the accent painting, you're only getting the side panels painted and the rear tailgate. Another option on this bed here that we can do the smooth up top rather than diamond plate. That makes it look really well. Then whenever you upgrade to the smooth, this is 1/8-inch diamond plate. When you upgrade to the smooth, you go to 3/16, so you are getting an overall stronger constructed bed. This one here is for a 110 Gooseneck Body, 60-inch cab to axle truck, dual wheel. So it's got the gooseneck door cut out in it already. D-rings are standard in this one. Single handle latch, fold down. So just keep that in mind, guys. If you're going to be pulling a fifth wheel camper or even any trailer with one of these beds, this is just a good informational video on what to look for, because you want to make sure that the bed that you're going with, the boxes aren't too tall that they are going to hit. That's just cool thing. And another thing too is, a lot of guys always ask, why can't I put a gooseneck hitch in a standard service body? Well, your standard service body boxes are too tall the whole way back, and they're usually square corner, so they just does not work unless you have some crazy, you and your buddy built this cool gooseneck trailer, I don't know. But anyhow, so these are pretty cool for Martins. Martins are always looking at how they can improve their products, and I personally think they do have the best products on the market. There's nothing like this on the market to compare apples to apples with. So, have any more questions on any of these beds or just anything else that you see around here, feel free to give us a call, 330-933-7526. Check us out online, aletruckbeds.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like this video. Tell your friends about us. If you're looking for a new truck, check us out. We have truck accessories. We don't just do beds. We do floor mats, running boards, everything there is to go with a truck. So give us a call, guys. Have any more questions, feel free. Reach out. And until then, we'll see you on the next one.